Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a comprehensive look at Gusto, one of the most popular payroll and human resources platforms available for growing businesses today. Managing a team involves balancing countless moving parts, from calculating complex tax withholdings to tracking employee hours and administering health benefits, which is exactly where Gusto steps in to simplify your workflow. At its absolute core, Gusto excels at automating the payroll process, allowing you to run full cycles in just a few clicks while automatically calculating, filing, and paying your local, state, and federal payroll taxes with zero manual effort required on your part. The user interface is incredibly clean, modern, and intuitive, making it exceptionally easy for business owners who don't have a background in accounting to navigate tax documents, set up direct deposits, and manage contractor payments seamlessly. Beyond basic payroll, the platform serves as an all-in-one HR hub where you can seamlessly onboard new hires, store digital compliance documents, integrate workers' compensation insurance, and even provide your team with access to financial wellness tools. Another standout feature is the self-service employee portal, which gives your staff direct, lifetime access to their own pay stubs, W-2 forms, and benefits information, even if they eventually leave your company, drastically reducing the number of administrative requests landing in your inbox. While it is an incredibly robust system, there are a couple of downsides to consider, such as the fact that the base pricing can feel a bit steep for solo entrepreneurs or micro-businesses, and their premium customer support tiers are restricted to higher-priced plans. Overall, if you want to eliminate the headache of tax penalties, streamline your hiring process, and scale your business operations without drowning in endless paperwork, Gusto delivers an incredibly reliable, user-friendly experience that justifies its cost for expanding teams. Subscribe the channel for more videos.